Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on the explanation of the submittal review. The submittal review is the final step before submitting images to the model or to the portal. And you would get there from the edit screen. Here in the edit screen, the submittal review button is in the top right-hand corner. And you will click on that button. And it's going to open up to this review page. Automatically, each image is selected for submittal. I personally like to unselect them as a way to check myself. Then the next column are the image thumbnails and the species thumbnails. Hovering over the image thumbnail will make the image thumbnail pop up bigger on your screen. Same with the polygon thumbnails. So if you have two polygons in one image or multiple polygons, each of the polygons will have its own little pop up, so it allows you to check each polygon. Neither of these two polygons are to my liking. I believe they both need to be edited some more. So automatically, I'm going to leave this second image unselected. And then already here, the second polygon for the second image is missing a fish species name. And to me, it's important that each polygon in an image is tagged with a fish species. So I will not submit that to the model. The second image, both polygons still need to be worked on to my standards, as well as the second polygon is missing a fish species tag. And you can see that here because it's saying missing species again. The next column is going to show you all of the body polygon options available for that fish species. The ones in red are ones that have not been created, and the ones in green are ones that have been created. If you hover over the ones in green, the image will pop up with only the body trait polygon showing. So we see the one for eyes, dorsal fin, and pectoral fin. The next column are fish traits. If you have edited any of the fish traits in the image, the changes will show in green. Obviously here we have not done any of that. The status of the image will show here, and then metadata, if metadata has been edited for the image, it will be highlighted in blue. For me personally, the only image that is worthy to be submitted to the model is the first one. So I'm going to leave that one selected, and then I will click on the submit button. The first image was submitted, and then the other two images get sent back to my image listing. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on the explanation of the submittal review page.